In this video, I'm revealing a simple crypto swing trading strategy that outperforms buy and hold. And later in the video, I'm going to show you proof by backtesting the strategy on Bitcoin all the way from 2017. But before we continue, if you need an award-winning trading platform that offers super low fees, you can check out today's sponsor, PrimeXBT. Use promo code DATA to earn an extra 50% bonus capital on your first deposit. Link in the description below. And so without further ado, let's get on with the video. Now, I'm sure you may know that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been on the rise lately. There were so many opportunities where you could have made massive gains in just a short period of time. And so, because of this, people began day trading it in hopes of catching these quick massive profits. But what they don't know is that most trading strategies out there actually underperforms buy and hold, meaning they could have made more money if they just bought and held long term. However, after backtesting so many different strategies, I actually found one that outperforms buy and hold, and that is by using the Ichimoku Cloud indicator. But for this specific strategy, we're going to make a couple of adjustments to the indicator. So first, you go to settings and disable all the parts except lead 1 and lead 2. Then, you want to change the displacement value to 1. And this leaves us with only the Kumo cloud. So the Kumo cloud consists of two parts. The green line, which is called lead 1, and the red line, which is called lead 2. And how we read this indicator is very simple. If prices are above the clouds, it indicates that the market is on an uptrend. And if prices are below the clouds, it indicates that the market is on a downtrend. The position of the lines can also help us confirm the trend direction. If the green line is above the red line, it indicates that the market is on a strong uptrend. And if the green line is below, it indicates a strong downtrend. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this indicator to trade cryptocurrency. But bear in mind that this is going to be a long-only strategy, meaning we're only taking long positions. We're not taking any short positions. So first, you need to remember that cryptocurrency is the type of asset that can suddenly rise in a short period of time. And so, if there's a small sign of an uptrend coming, make sure to enter the trade quickly so that you don't miss out on any profit potential. So for your entry signal, if a green candle closes above the clouds, while the green line is above the red line, you take a long position. Now, for your exit strategy, you want to make sure that you exit the trade quickly before the trend reverses. And so, you close the trade if a red candle closes below the green line. Let's look at the full strategy in action. In this chart, we can see that the price is below the cloud, indicating that the market is still on a downtrend, and so we don't want to take any positions yet. Next, we saw that a green candle closed above the cloud. However, the green line is still positioned below the red line, meaning we ignore the signal once again. Then, we can see that the green line is now above the red line and the green candle closed above it. So this is where you want to enter a long position. Now for your exit strategy, you want to let the trade run until a red candle closes below the green line. Once this happens, you exit your long position. And now, I'm going to show you proof that this strategy outperforms buy and hold by backtesting it on Bitcoin USDT daily time frame with a starting capital of $1,000. Now, bear in mind, if you bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin USDT and held it from 2017, you would have made $16,193, which is an overall gain of 1,019%. So let's start backtesting to see if our strategy can outperform that. And finally, after backtesting the strategy, the results are in. After 37 trades from 2017, we made a total profit of $20,872, which is a total gain of 2,087%. That's 468% more compared to the buy and hold strategy. Now, even though we lost more trades than we won, we still ended up being profitable because if you actually look at the numbers closely, the losses are very minuscule compared to the profits. This means that the indicator did a good job of letting profitable trades run and cutting losses quick. And remember, we're using the daily time frame, which means you don't have to look at the chart all the time to execute the trades. So overall, it's proven to be a better alternative to the buy and hold strategy. Now, I understand that some people don't like trading at higher time frames because it takes a long time. And that is why I'm going to reveal a bonus strategy that you can use to trade cryptocurrency at a lower time frame. So for this strategy, we're going to trade the 15-minute chart using a combination of two indicators, the check-in money flow and the MACD indicator. This is how you trade the strategy. So the first step is we want to use the check-in money flow as a filter. If the money flow is above the middle line, we only take long positions. And if the money flow is below the middle line, we only take short positions. The next step is finding our entry setup. If the money flow is above the middle line and the MACD line crosses above the signal line, you take a long position. It's the same for short positions as well. If the money flow is below the middle line and the MACD crosses below the signal line, you take a short position. And for your exit strategy, once you've entered a trade, you want to set your stop loss below the nearest swing low and set your profit target at 1.5 times your stop loss. So let's look at the full strategy in action. In this chart, we can see that the check-in money flow is above the middle line, meaning we're looking to take long positions. Next, you want to wait for the MACD to cross above the signal line while making sure that the check-in money flow still remains above the middle line. Once this happens, you take a long position. And for your stop loss, you place it below the nearest swing low and set your profit target at 1.5 times your stop loss. And as you can see, the price hits the profit target, and so this counts as a successful trade. Let's look at what a short entry looks like. Here, we notice that the check-in money flow is below the middle line, and so we're looking to take short positions only. Next, you want to wait for the MACD to cross below the signal line while making sure that the check-in money flow still remains below the middle line. Once this happens, you enter a short position. Now, for your stop loss, you place it above the nearest swing high and set your profit target at 1.5 times your stop loss. And we can see that the price hits our profit target, so this counts as a successful trade. Now remember, when you're trading on lower time frames, you're going to take a lot more positions, and over time, high trading fees could accumulate and hurt your profits. So you need to make sure that you're using a trading platform that offers low fees. That's why you should check out today's sponsor, PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT is an award-winning trading platform that gives you instant access to over 30 plus assets including Forex, crypto, indices, and commodities. It offers very low fees ranging from 0.001% for Forex pairs and 0.05% for crypto, which makes this the perfect platform for scalping and day trading. And exclusively for data trader viewers, if you sign up using the code DATA, that's DATA, you will receive an extra 50% bonus capital on your first deposit. For example, if you deposited $1,000, they will give you an extra $500 to trade with. You can do that by clicking the link in the description below. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.